We will now make an entry on the integumentary system notes for skin. The skin controls your body's temperature. Sweating keeps you cool and helps remove waste. Your skin produces vitamin D. This vitamin is a key nutrient to your body's health. Your skin also keeps important body fluids, minerals, and salts. Your innermost layer of skin is the hypodermis. It contains mostly fat, which insulates and protects your body. Insulate means that it keeps you warm. The hypodermis, if we look on our screen, it is that bottom lower layer of our skin. The outermost layer of your skin is the epidermis. That's the top layer. Cells at the base of the epidermis multiply rapidly, fill with keratin, and become the tough outer layer of your skin. The middle layer of your skin is called the dermis. It contains the sweat glands, hair roots or follicles, capillaries, and microsensors for touch. If we look at our image on the left, we have the epidermis on top, the dermis in the middle, and the hypodermis on the bottom. Your sense of touch or feeling is quite complicated. It is a multi-sensor faculty where objects or forces are perceived by contact with the skin. This allows you to feel hot or cold, pressure, movement, wet or dry, and rough or smooth objects. Here we are. We need to make a notes entry again for the different layers of the skin for the integumentary system. We need to include the epidermis, that is the top outermost layer that protects our body. It is tough. The dermis, that is highlighted in green, it is the middle layer that contains sweat glands, hair roots, and microsensors for touch. Then we have the hypodermis. It's at the bottom. It's the innermost layer that is mostly fat. It insulates and protects us. On the right hand of our notes book over here on the video, you'll see the epidermis is on top, the dermis in the middle, that's the middle layer, and the hypodermis is at the bottom. Please pause the video if you need more time. Hair grows almost everywhere on your body except your palms and the bottom of your feet. Your eyebrow hairs help keep sweat from dripping into your eyes. Your eyelashes help to keep dust and pests away from your eyes. We have hair to protect our bodies and to maintain proper temperature. We will now make an entry for hair in our integumentary system notes. Hair grows almost everywhere except your palms and bottoms of your feet, including eyebrows and eyelashes. Hair protects our body to help maintain a good body temperature. Nails grow on the end of each finger and toe. Your nails are made of a tough protein called keratin, which is the same dead substance as your hair. Nails help scratch and rid objects on your skin. They also help you sense pressure and hardness of objects. Without your nails, your fingertips would simply bend back. We will now make an entry into our ISN for our notes on the integumentary system for nails. Nails grow on the ends of each finger and toe. Nails are made of a tough protein called keratin. Nails help you scratch and sense pressure and hardness. What we have here in the video is a cross section of the different layers of skin. And we want to make sure that we remember all the different layers and other structures that are part of the integumentary system. So we're going to take a look at the word bank that is on the left-hand side of the video, and we see the word oil gland, hair, epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Remember, these last three words are the different layers of the skin. The oil gland is another structure that is actually found in the dermis, and the hair follicle is found in the dermis as well. So what we want to do is to label this cross section of the skin. What it is it looks like almost like a slice of cake. This is what the inside of the skin would look like inside of your body if we could see it. So it is called a cross section. The answers are, number 3 is pointing to the hair. Number 1 is pointing to the middle section of the skin. That is called the dermis. Number 5 is pointing to that innermost layer, that bottom layer. What we see right here kind of looks like pebbles and stones, but it's actually fat. And this is the hypodermis. Number 4 is pointing to an oil gland that is inside the layer of the dermis. And then up on the very top, we have that top outermost layer of skin. That is what we see when we look down at our hand or our arm, and that is called the epidermis. That is the top layer of the skin. This concludes the notes for our integumentary system. Have a great day.